Hello, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week, and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white, and shape of the month, that is curved line. Also do the revision of hero of the month, that is Aryabhatta. Let's revise few lines about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, known as the ancient genius, he was the great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Kusumapura, now known as Patna in Bihar. He invented numeric value 0 in the subject of mathematics. He discovered the time period of rotation of Earth around Sun 1500 years ago. Motions of the planets in solar system. Children, also do the revision of community helper. Who is community helper for this month? Astronaut. Yes, very good. Let's revise few lines. Astronauts are also called spacemen. They travel in spacecraft to space. They are away for months and years from their home to study space and planets. They study science and astronomy to become scientists to travel into space. Astronauts have to undergo training and testing, physical body check to travel in space. They are scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. Children, also do the revision of our theme space, solar system. Let's revise. The sun, star. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. All planets revolve around our home star, the sun. First, Mercury, the smallest, teeny and closest planet to the sun. There is no water present on this planet. It is the fastest planet. It takes 88 days to complete one round of sun. Second one, Venus, known as the evening or morning star. It is the hottest planet. It takes 225 days to complete one round of sun. Earth, third. This is the only place where life exists. Most of the Earth's surface, about 70%, is covered with water. It takes 365 days to complete one round of sun. Fourth one, Mars. It is also known as red planet. It contains red soil and rocks. Mars is very cold and dry, but water exists in form of ice. It takes 687 days to complete one round of sun. Fifth one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is as big as 1300 Earth can fill in it. It takes 12 years to complete one round of sun. Sixth, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet is known for its rings. Rings are made of dust and ice. It contains gases. It takes 29.5 years to complete one round of sun. Seventh, Uranus. Uranus is a blue planet, not because of water, but because of gases. that make it appear blue. It is also called ice giant. It takes 84 years to go once around the sun. Neptune. Neptune is the most far planet from the sun. It is also called ice giant and it takes 165 years for Neptune to go once around the sun. Children, we will also do the revision of 7 continents and 5 oceans of the world. First, we'll do 7 continents of the world: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. One more time: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Yes, now we'll do 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Children, we will also revise the national symbols. First one, national emblem, national flag, national flower, lotus, national bird, peacock, national tree, banyan tree, and national animal, tiger. Okay. Children, today we will learn about globe. See, this is a globe. Can you see this? A globe is a spherical model of Earth. It shows distribution of land and water on the surface of the Earth. It helps us understand where we live and other places in the world are located. Globe helps us to understand where we live and other places in the world are located. This is world map. North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Yes, and land on the map is divided into different colors and they are called continents. Can you see? Land on the map is divided in different colors: orange, red, yellow, brown, green, pink, and they are called continents. There are 7 continents on our planet. Yes, we learn about it. We learn 7 continents and 5 oceans. So, there are 7 continents on our planets. What is that? South America, North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. These are 7 continents on the Earth, on the planet. Yes, okay children. Bye-bye. See you in next class. Do the revision of color of the month, shape of the month, hero of the month, community helper, theme, space, solar system, national symbols. Okay, bye-bye.